Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata with the hybrid system, but we're going to go over how you would change the headlights. So here we have our high beam down here. We have our standard low beam daytime running light right here. We have our blinker and parking light right there. And well, it's a blinker. You also have an LED portion right here. And then we have the fog light down here. Now these lights can be done while they're inside the car. You have enough gap down there. It's tight, but you can do it. And we'll discuss that. But otherwise, I will show you in the process of, we will remove that light housing and to make it easier for you to see what you're doing when you're going to replace them. This one here, that is the LED, that would be that the whole housing unit would need to be replaced. But this one here that you're blinking and park light, that one you can replace. Now you wouldn't be able to replace it from reaching your hand in here, and so that one they provide an access panel here that it's a push pin here, and you undo that, and then right up in there you see the cover there, or the head there. You can twist that off either with your hands or use some needle nose pliers to get up in there, and you can twist that and pull that out, and then you can be able to replace that blinker. And then you can reach down here and you can get this one. You just got to twist the cover. You would twist that cover to a counterclockwise to get it to come off, and then be able to replace the light. And the same thing with the high beam. But to make it easier, I'm going to go ahead over the process of how you'd remove the bumper to be able to remove this light itself, and then we'll be able to replace those a lot easier. So thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.